Hello, good day. Meryl is back again for our new episode of our story. Okay, but before that, hope you guys have a good weekend, spending time with your mommy and your daddy, and also with your aunties. And also hope you guys are doing good. Okay, today, Mary will tell story about epic. I can find it. The rainy day. Let's begin. Oliver wakes up to a magical sound. Pitter patter, pitter patter. He rushes to the window. It is cool and drizzly outside. Yay! Rainy days are Oliver's favorite. Oliver will spend today with his grandpa. They both love the rain. Oliver starts to gather everything he needs for his special day. Come along and help Oliver. Let's go help Oliver. Oliver looks for something to keep himself warm. He has lots of sweaters, but his blue sweater with green stripes is the thickest one of all. Can you find Oliver's blue sweater with green stripes? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. There it is. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job looking. Oliver looks for a pair of socks to keep his toes cozy. The bumpy lumpy red ones that Grandpa knitted for him are just right. Can you find Oliver's bumpy lumpy red socks? Where is it? Hmm. Oh, it's there, right just there. Great job, guys, great job. Oliver heads to the kitchen. He wants to find snack to share with Grandpa. Grandpa likes sweet purple plums. Oliver likes them too. Can you find sweet purple plums? Hmm. Oh, it's just there. Right there. Great job, guys. Great job. Boots will keep Oliver's feet dry. His whole family has yellow boots, but Oliver's boots are special. They have smiley faces on the toes. Can you find Oliver's special smiley face boots? Hmm. Let's focus, okay? Is it that yellow big boot? No. The next one? Yes! That's Oliver's special smiley face boots. Great job, guys. Great job. Okay, let's read the next page. Oliver looks for his polka dot umbrella in the bin by the door. It has a curved wooden handle. It is big enough for two. Can you find Oliver's polka dot umbrella with its curved wooden handle? Right, it's just there. Yeah, good job. Good job. Grandpa has arrived. He looks for his rain hat. It is a fluffy and green with a red band. Do you see Grandpa's fluffy green hat with a red band? Hmm. Oh, just right there. Right there. On his head. Great job. Oliver and Grandpa head to Grandpa's car. It is a round and silver. Oliver thinks Grandpa's car looks like a spaceship. Where is Grandpa's round and silver car? Hmm. Right there. Great job, guys. Great job. Oliver and Grandpa drive to a quiet pond. Grandpa asks Oliver to look for two smooth, flat stones. Can you help Oliver find two smooth, flat stones? Good looking, guys. Good looking. All right. Grandpa teaches Oliver how to skip stones. He holds a stone with his thumb and his fingers. He throws it. The stone hops across water. Hop, hop, hop. Oliver loves spending rainy days with his grandpa. The end. All right. Our story is finished. Hope you guys enjoyed our story for today and hope you guys had fun with Mr. Merrill reading this story. Okay? And hopefully and I wish to see you very very soon. Okay? Always remember, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, hope to see you guys for our another story video. Okay, goodbye for now. Bye.